Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Jose Moridi, and in this video I'm planning to talk about a static variable in a Dart language. What exactly is a static variable? Sometimes we want to share a variable across all the instances of a class, and because of memory efficiency we need to use static variables. So in order to teach you about a little better, let me write it down in the code. So we'll see how we will do it in real time. So first, I'm going to create a class for students, okay? And a student has a variable called a school name. Okay, first we need to write, in order to create a static variable, first we need to write a static keyword, then the data type we want. For example, I want to call a string data type, and I'm going to create a variable called a school name, which is, for example, ABC school. Okay, this variable is available across all the classes. So if I want to access this variable over here, where I can easily access it over here. For example, I'm going to print the school name. I'm going to write the school student dot school name, as you have here, as you see over here. Because it's a static keyword, there's no need to instantiate the student class. As you see, this ABC is available. So there is no need to actually make it available over here, because this static keyword is available outside of this class, and it is not bound to the instance of the student at all. And because it's not its class property, there's no need to instantiate it. For example, if I want to create a name variable, and if I want to make it, for example, available, I need to create a constructor for it by doing like this name, and that's it. And if I want to access this name stuff, if I want to access this name stuff over here, um, I must instantiate the class. For example, first I need to write a student dot two parentheses and then the name. Okay, so the thing should be different, and I must pass a name, for example, John. Okay, in order to instantiate this class. But for the static variable, there's no need to do that at all, and it's available outside of this class, and it is not bound to life cycle of this class at all. And there is nothing more to talk about the static variables. If you like my videos, please consider leaving a like, or even um, subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.